How to fix incoming calls not displaying on your iPhone screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix incoming calls not getting displayed on your iPhone's screen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will need to head over to your settings. The first setting that will change or we'll fix is our notification settings. So for that, head over to the notifications section, and after you're on notification center, simply scroll down till you find the phones app. So simply search for phones, and right here make sure that you've turned on notification for it. Right here make sure that you have enabled notification for lock screen, notification screen, and most importantly the banners. After doing that, you're basically good for the notification section. And after doing that, the second thing that you might want to change is you will need to enable unknown callers as well. For that, head over to the app section from the main settings page and then search for phone. After you find phone, open it up and then scroll down. Right there you'll find silence unknown caller section. Tap on it and make sure that this is turned off. What this will do is that whenever you've enabled this setting, your incoming calls which are unknown or which you have not yet saved will get silenced and not get displayed. So make sure that this is turned off, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.